filming this full face makeup look for you guys, and I really just wanted to get on camera, kind of sit down and play around with makeup and see what I could come up with, kind of be creative. Also practice like my cut crease because I'm not a total expert at cut creases, and so I wanted to do this like cut crease using mainly my Anastasia Prism palette, and then I wanted to add some glitter but not too much, and so I put some glitter on the lid, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I got this new STILA glitter in my gratis. If you guys would like to see like the stuff I get for free from Ulta, because you guys know I work there and we get gratis, let me know and I'll totally do a haul. But I got this STILA glitter top coat, and it's for the lips, and it's a new product that came out with STILA, and it kind of has like glitter on the bottom, and it's mixed with an oil, and you just kind of shake it up and you apply it to your lips, which I thought was so cool. So I tried it out on a nude lip today. I don't know if y'all could tell, but my lips are sparkly, and it dries down matte so it doesn't move, and I just put it on top of a matte nude lip like I said. And yeah, I just came up with this look. I just really wanted to play with makeup like I said, and so yeah, if you guys want to see this makeup look and how I got it, then go ahead and keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you leave to my BritanyRaquell family. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And so yeah, let's go ahead and get into this makeup look. Okay guys, starting off with the face, I'm going to be using my FACED Hangover RX Replenishing Primer Spray. Then to go ahead and hide that giant monster on my forehead, I'm taking my Makeup Forever concealer and also a green concealer and just mixing those two to go ahead and hide that redness of that pimple and just on any pimples on my face. Now to go ahead and conceal my under eye veins and also to clean up my brows, I'm using this Nars Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Vanilla. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in with this Sephora brush. I got it in like a VIB Rouge package or something like that. It's really good for concealer. And for foundation today, we're going to be using this Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. I actually love the way this is looking on my skin. Like, I need to use this more often. And then I'm just blending that in with my Morphe contour and highlighting sponge. Then to go ahead and highlight and conceal the face, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape per usual in the shade Light Sand. And then I'm just blending that in with the same highlighting contouring sponge from Morphe. And I also put some on my eyelids to act as a primer. And then to go ahead and set my under eyes, I'm taking my RCMA No color powder and just setting that concealer. I was so sad that I didn't mention this in my 2017 favorites. I just totally forgot about it, but it has been a favorite lately. Then to go ahead and bake the rest of my face, I'm taking my COTY Airspun powder. And I'm just going to go ahead and bake with this, but I'm also cleaning up the sides of my nose, as you can see here. It's just been really helping me with contouring the nose, making it a little bit easier, and so I'm just baking everywhere. We basically put that concealer. I'm
also going to be baking right under the eyes, kind of where we would put tape usually, just to catch any eyeshadow fallout that we're going to have. And I'm going to be using the ANASTASIA Prism palette today, and I'm taking the shade Unity, and I'm going to be using this as my transition shade, so into the crease and above it. And I didn't show on camera, but I did set my eyes before I went in with eyeshadow with a translucent powder. Then I'm going to be taking the shade Eden on a 217 brush from MAC, and I'm just going to be packing this into the crease until I get the intensity that I want. And as you can see right here, I'm also going to be winging out the shade all the way up until we hit that powder that we put down, just to make a more cat eye look, and it's going to help us with the cut crease later and make sure everything's the right shape. Then taking the color Saturn with the same 217 brush, we're going to deepen up the crease even more. So we're just basically going to be putting this color where we put the other shade, just intensifying it even more. And then we're also going to be flicking it out on the outer corner as well, just making sure we keep that cat eye look. Now going back in with Eden, but this time on a more fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that to go ahead and blend everything out. Now before my face gets a little bit too dry, I'm going to go ahead and just remove that bake with my MAC setting powder, per usual. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Tarte Shape Tape once again, and we're going to start cutting the crease. So I'm first going to look into a mirror and map out where I want the cut crease to be, and then I'm just going to start cutting it with my angled brush and the concealer. And then as you can see right here, I'm just taking that concealer and also winging it out like we did the eyeshadow, and this just helps everything come together. And then I'm going to be blending that concealer all the way down to the lash line and just cleaning everything up with more concealer. Then once that is done, I'm taking this bright green shade from my Prism palette, and I'm just going to pack that all over where we put that concealer for a nice lid shade. Now to go ahead and clean up that cut crease, I'm taking Saturn once again, but on a smaller defined brush this time. And I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that cut crease is nice and precise and still clean. Now I wanted to add some glitter, but not too much glitter, so I decided to take this ColourPop shadow in the shade I Heart This. And I'm going to pack that all over the lid with my finger at first. And then to get the harder to reach areas, I'm going to go in with a brush. And now I'm just going back in with Saturn once again just to clean everything up. Then I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D Trooper liner, and I'm just going to go ahead and do a wing. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm taking the shade Parallel, which is a dark brown, on a flat brush, and I'm just going to pack that all over the lower lash line. And then to go ahead and blend that out, I'm taking Saturn on a smaller fluffy brush and just really blowing out this color. And now I'm just going back in with Parallel, just touching that up and then also blending it out as well. I just want it to look very smoky on the lower lash line. Now moving on to the face, I'm going to take NARS Laguna and I'm going to start contouring my face with this and also my nose. And then for blush today, I'm taking MAC Love Joy, and I'm going to pop that onto my cheeks and the center of my nose.
Just feel my
Then I realized, oh crap, I forgot to bronze my face before blush, but I just went in with bronzer anyway, and this is the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in Capri Coast, and I'm just warming up the face with this. And then for highlight today, I'm taking Molten Gold from Maybelline, and it's the metallic highlighter, and just popping that on my cheekbones and also the center of my face. And now to go ahead and set and lock all those powders in place, I'm taking my All Nighter setting spray from Urban Decay and just setting those in place. Now I'm just applying a light coat of mascara. This is Bare Minerals Lash Domination on the top and lower lashes to prepare for some falsies. And then for lashes today, I'm using these Vegas Nay Bronze Beauty Lashes. Then I'm going to be taking MAC Nylon to go ahead and highlight the inner corners of my eyes and also to clean up the brow bone a little bit. And those are your finished eyes. I love the way it turned out. Now for lips, I'm taking Naked from Urban Decay, and I'm just going to line my lips with this. Then for lips, I'm taking the STILA Stay All Day Caramello Liquid Lipstick, which is just a basic nude. And now for the fun part, I'm taking the STILA Glitter Top Coat. I actually forgot the name, but I'll have it listed down below, and I just apply that on top of the lips. And this is a finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up so I can know to keep filming makeup tutorials. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!
This is how we do it.
I need my money pronto. Get it in the morning. Neck into it. Don't stop, just do it, do it. Then you roll your tongue from the crack back to the front. She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. All day, my eyes red cause of all that hate. Don't blow my high. Let me get your grandma on my dick. Girl, you know what it is. Rack City, bitch. Rack City, bitch. It feels so good in my hood tonight.
Rain, go away. That's what all my haters say. My pockets stop going over.
Girl, hit it,